Okay guys, before we get started, I just want to show you what this week has in store for us. So here's how assignments will be graded. On Thursday's Nearpod, on the 514 Nearpod, you'll be asked to write a 45 paragraph essay and you'll take a vocab quiz. That's going to count as your practice and application grade for the week. It's 100 points and it's graded on accuracy. So your answers have to be correct if you want to get a good grade. Now, I'm going to be teaching you how to write this essay and how to do this vocab quiz both today and on Thursday. And so your participation for the week will be getting through the 512 Nearpod and the 514 Nearpod. I can tell exactly how far you get through the Nearpod, and so if you got through 100% of the Nearpod, your grade will be a 100%. If you got through 75% of the Nearpod, your grade will be 75%. Now, if you rush through these Nearpods, you can still get 100%, but you will not be able to pass this assignment up here. So you need to be paying attention on today's Nearpod and tomorrow's Nearpod. And then at the end of today's Nearpod, you'll have the opportunity to read Chapter 6 of Beowulf and summarize it using Who Wanted But So. And at the end of the 514 Nearpod, you can read Chapter 7 of Beowulf and summarize it using the Who Wanted But So. And those will be your opportunities to get extra credit for this week. So Beowulf is kind of going by the wayside, but you can still read the chapters and get extra credit if you'd like. So that's how assignments will be graded. Here's our agenda. Right now we have our opening video. Then I'm going to introduce vocab. You guys are going to practice using that vocab. That's going to be the vocab that you're quizzed on Thursday. We're going to review characterization. We're going to review contrast. I'm going to show you the prompt from for Thursday's essay, and we're going to break it down. We're going to read the first 2 pages of Walter Mitty, and we're going to collect evidence for how Thurber uses contrast to characterize Walter Mitty. Okay guys, that is all you need to know, and let's get started.